Welcome all. In last lecture we have seen the decoder and types of decoder. Today we will see the 7 segment LED display. This is the 7 segment LED display which shows or which can display any number from 0 to 9 by turning on various combinations of the segments. These are the segments A, B, C, D, E, F and G. These are the 7 segments. Each segment, that is A to F, is nothing but an LED in a segment form. Their connection leads are brought out, and by applying forward voltage to segments to be turned on, we can display any numbers between 0 to 9. For example, if we want to display 7, then segment A, B and C should be turned on and all other segments should be turned off. Similarly, others number can be displayed by turning on and off of the 7 segments. In this, various digits are displayed with 7 segment display. A truth table is given which shows how a 7 segment displays a numbers from 0 to 9. So in this, for first case, to display a 0 using 7 segment display, the segments A to F should be turned on and the segment G should be turned off, by which we can display a decimal digit 0. Again, to display a number 1, the segment B and segment C are turned on and remaining all others are turned off. To display a decimal digit 2, segments A, B, G, E and D are turned on. To display digital number 3, A, B, G, C, D displays are turned on. To display 4, F, G, B and C segments are turned on and others are turned off. To display 5, segments A, F, G, C and D are turned on. To display 6, A, F, G, E, D and C turned on. To display 7, segments A, B, C turned on. To display 8, all 7 segments are turned on. And to display 9, only E segment is turned off and all other segments are turned on. This is how 7 segment display can display numbers from 0 to 9 by turning on and off of various segments. Now there are two types of 7 segment displays. One is common anode, other is common cathode. We will see first the common anode display. The name indicates the anode terminals of all LED segments. These are LEDs. This is anode terminal of LED and this is cathode terminal of LED. And the anode terminals of all the LEDs are connected together. Therefore, this display is called as a common anode display. A current limiting resistors are connected externally in series with each segments. A common anode terminal is connected to plus VCC supply. This is the common anode display. Next we will see common cathode display, in which cathode terminals of all the LEDs are connected together. A current limiting resistors are externally connected in series with each segment. The common cathode point is connected to a ground. Now we will see the use of decoder for driving the 7-segment display. Many times the 7-segment LED displays are connected at the output of digital ICs such as counter. Now as the counter output is in the BCD form, you will let to know how the counter output is in BCD form in the next chapter. For this moment, keep in mind that the counter output is in BCD form, which has only 4 lines. It cannot drive the 7th display directly, as the BCD form is having of only 4 lines. Therefore, we have to use a BCD to 7-segment decoder which can convert these 4 lines into 7 lines, so that each output lines can be connected to each segments between the counter output and 7-segment display. So this is the connection diagram of driving 7-segment display using decoder, that is BCD to 7-segment decoder, which converts the 4-bit BCD input into the 7 lines which are connected to the 7 segment of display. Now this diagram is for common anode display. The decoder accepts these 4 BCD count from the counter which converts it into a 7-bit code suitable for 7-segment display and drive the displays. Now here, to turn on each segment, the corresponding decoder output goes low. Means when the decoder output is low, then only the segments gets turned on, and when the decoder output is 1, then the respective segment will get turned off. So for common anode display, keep in mind that the segment will be turned on only when it receives a 0 output from the BCD to 7-segment decoder. Now this is the common cathode display, in which the decoder accepts again 4 BCD count from the counter and converts it into 7-bit code which are connected to the 7 segment of the display. Now here, to turn on the segment, the corresponding decoder output should goes high. Means here exactly opposite operation performs, that is the segment will be turned on when it receives a high output from the decoder, otherwise it will be turned off. Now we are going to see how to design a BCD to 7-segment display code converter. Now this is for common anode display, means in that the segment will be turned on corresponding to the decoder output which are low, whereas the segment will be off corresponding to the decoder output which are high. A current limiting resistor is connected in series with each segment. Now here, these are the decimal points, that is from 0 to 9, which are being displayed by the 7-segment display. These are the inputs and these are the outputs. These inputs are BCD inputs to the BCD to 7-segment decoder, which are converted into the 7-segment output. Now here, as we know, to display a 0, we all the segments should be on, only G segment should be off. Therefore, for G, here a logic 1 is shown, and for remaining all logic 0 is shown, so that we can get a decimal digit 0. Similarly, to get decimal digit 1 minute, this is the 7 segment display actually. So now here to get decimal digit 1, these two segments should be turned on, means segment B and C. Therefore here it is shown 0, and remaining segments it is shown 1, so that the other segments will remain off by receiving a logic 1 output from the decoder. In the same manner, the binary zeros and ones are entered for each segment to get their respective decimal digits. So using this table, now we are going to find out the equations of output segments, that is A, B, C, D up to G. The inputs are of 4 variable, means here we are going to use a 4 variable K-map to find out the equations of 7 segments. So for segment A, the entries of this column A are entered onto the K-map from 0 to 9. After 9 there is no any input combinations, means for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 we will not have any input combination in this truth table, so we cannot say the output for those input combinations that either they are 0 or they will be 1. Therefore, for the input combination 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, a don't care condition is shown, means we can consider them as a binary 1 also or as a binary 0, as their existence is not available in the truth table. So after entering the values of column A onto the 4 variable K-map, we are going to find octet chord pair if possible. Now in this case octet is not possible, chord is not possible. By using this don't care condition, one pair is made, and for this one we cannot do any grouping. So for this one a product term is written as it is, that is B3 bar, B2 bar, B1 bar, B0, and for this pair the term will be B2, B1 bar, B0. This we already studied how to write a term related to any one or any group of one in a given K-map. So from this we can write the equation for the segment A, that is B2 B1 bar B0 bar plus B3 bar B2 bar B1 bar B0. Again for segment B, the values of this column B are entered into this K-map, and the values for the cells 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 entered as a don't care. Now after entering we will find only these two pairs. So the term for this pair is B2 B1 bar B0, and for this pair the term is B2 B1 B0 bar. So the equation for segment B is B2 B1 bar B0 plus B2 B1 B0 bar. In the same way we can find the equation for segment C, equation for segment D by entering their respective values onto the K-map. Similarly we can find the equation for E, equation for F, and equation for G. After getting the equation of all the 7 segments, we can draw a logic diagram using the gates. So these are the 4 BCD inputs: B3 line, B0, B3 bar line, B2 line, B2 bar line, B1 and B1 bar line, B0 and B0 bar line. Using these lines and using the equations of 7 segments, we can draw a logic diagram. This is for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the 7 segments. So this is how we can design a BCD to 7 segment display code converter using KMap. Thank you.